So I have just got a notification about that there's a good chance that there will be a burning sunset tonight. So I'm heading out to trying to photograph that.
So right now it does seem as if the sun is setting down behind the cloud, but I do have some high clouds that may actually work out and light up. So maybe I will get that light after sunset. I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping for the best right now. Now I'm committed. I have to go and check it out. There's still half an hour until I'm there.
So I wish I could say I had time to make B-roll of me walking and running, but I don't, because this is firing off now. Turbo landscape photography here. Okay, so most of the really nice colors over there, but okay, how do I do this? Panic. Okay, let's see. Go a little bit further over here. A little bit further. And okay. 2-second timer, f8, ISO 100, 1/20th of a second. That ought to do it. You only need those 10 seconds when the light is at its best. With shutter speed in landscape photography, check out the video on the screen right here. Here I dive deep into everything that has something to do with shutter speed and landscape photography. See you over there.